If you're looking kinda hot and your hair is not, gotta Ronsay TV. If you wanna be on fleek with your hair isn't neat, gotta Ronsay.
Hi guys, it's your girl Ronsay. Welcome back to my channel. This is the beautiful Filippo Loreti watch. So let's see what you get in the box. Let's go. So let's open and see what's in here. So now that I'm opening, as you can see, the first thing you see here is, first of all, their brand. It looks like a cute gift card in the front, and you can open it in the back and see all the instruction guide where you can get all the information you actually need, and they welcome you to their family, which is so sweet. They packed it really nice. So, and one thing I have to say while unpacking this box, okay, as you guys can see, this whole packaging, there is no plastic, okay, no plastic is used, and that's one thing I have to really recommend them. I want to say that they are really doing a good job in packaging. Once you open this box here, you're gonna find this box inside this box. They are packing really nicely. You can see it's very neatly packed and nice. So we are just going to open the real thing. So if you see here, you see you have in the box here Filippo Loreti. The package is very beautiful and very classy, as you can see. So we are now going to open this box and see what's in here. Beautiful watch. This watch is really beautiful. Honestly, the best thing I love about this watch is the slim design. The display is really nice and bright. Now we have the watch. Let's see how beautiful it looks. This watch is very nice and clean. If you look at the back of the watch, you can see the stunning Basilica di San Marco. Now let's take a look at the sub dial and 3 sub dials. Here you have the hours. So the hours, the week, and the months. And you can change the time very easily if you move the icon. Just look at the bracelets. It's a very good choice. It's a very beautiful watch. It's very beautiful. Go here and just set it as your wrist, and then you can actually go ahead with your watch right there. You close it, and then here you go. There is a link down in the description along with the code. So use my code Ronsay15 and get 15% off. And all the information, you see them down. And I'm also gonna link the website. So make sure you follow the link in the description and go to the website and see what you like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please hit the like button and let me know what you think about the Filippo Loreti watch. I mean, this one. And I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye guys.